Hello everyone. Today I'll be demonstrating CVE 2024-53924, which is a code execution vulnerability affecting Pycel. Pycel is a Python package that's used to evaluate Excel worksheets dynamically using Python. On the right side, I have an Excel worksheet, a PoC worksheet that contains A1 set to 1 and C1 set to sign of A1. Let's see how Pycel can evaluate this. So right here I have C1 evaluated correctly using Pycel, and I'm setting A1 to 200, and then I have C1 set to this much, or evaluating to this much correctly in Python. Nice. This is achieved by mapping Excel specific functions like sign and mapping them to their Python equivalents and executing those. Now let's have a look at what happens when we have a Python native function like eval, which of course fails in Excel. So let's clear that and let's run that through Pycel. And just as expected, we have C1 is set to hashtag name question mark. After changing A1, nothing happens and it stays the same as you'd expect based on the Excel behavior. Now let's clear that and let's have a look at the next one. So in sheet 3 we have a conditional expression. It's an Excel function if, and we have the Python native function nested within. Let's see what happens when we execute that. So 03 malicious, and we have a calculator somehow. If we close this and look more closely here, we can see that Pycel reports that eval is not a known Excel function. And this was demonstrated in sheet 2 because eval did in fact not execute, so there's some form of validation. However, when we nest this eval within another function, Pycel fails to validate it and yields code execution. In fact, let's clear this. If we look at a much simpler example like this one, so we have A1 times eval, and we run that through Pycel, we also get code execution, and this time it's more subtle. We don't have any warnings, no errors, nothing. Instead, we have C1 is hashtag name because initially this is the behavior in Excel. But once we change A1 to 200, and this does evaluate, we do get a code execution, a calculator, and C1 evaluates to 0. Thanks for watching, and this is CVE 2024-53924.